Hey, lovely people. I'm Maya, and welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to showcase the top AI song generators that can create amazing songs in just a few minutes. You can use these AI tools to get creative ideas, compose your own music and melodies, and are completely free to use. So, let's dive right in. Part 1, Voicemod AI Tool. This incredible tool effortlessly generates songs with just a few clicks. To use it, simply go to voicemod.net/AI. Once on the website, click on Text to Song and then Generate Song for free. Explore the various tunes available, listen to them, and choose your favorite. Select your preferred voice and proceed by clicking Next. If you already have song lyrics, paste them into the tool, otherwise, don't worry. Creating lyrics is now easy with Gravitywrite.com. Part 2, Gravitywrite AI Tool. To generate song lyrics, click on Start Writing for free, create an account, access music tools, and choose Song Lyrics Designer. Provide details about your song, such as the concept, genre, number of verses, and desired mood. Click Create Content, and your personalized song lyrics will be generated. Copy and paste these lyrics into Voicemod. Click Create Song, sign up on Voicemod, and your song will be processed and ready to play.
In this crazy world, we roam through all the highs and lows. We found a love that's grown a friendship like we've never known.
To listen to the voice only, click here.
In this crazy world, we roam through all the highs and lows. We found a love that's grown a friendship like we've in this.
To download the song, click here and choose either audio or lyrical video. Now, I'm selecting audio. Click Song, and your song will be downloaded to your computer. Part 3, Songr AI Tool. The next tool on our list is Song Art. Visit up.songart.com. I have already created a detailed tutorial Song.ai. You can watch that video by clicking on I button or video description. Select your desired genre. Click I have my own lyrics. Paste the lyrics from Gravity. Choose a male or female voice and click Render. It's that simple. Just play this song.
In this crazy world we roam through all the highs and lows. We found a love that's grown, a friendship like we've never known. Through the laughter and the tears, you've been there through the years. Our hearts aligned.
To download, click here. Choose your preferred format and save it to your computer. These are the best AI song generators that you can try. Give them a try and let me know in the comments section below which one is your favorite. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI tutorial video. If you found this tutorial helpful,